Hi, in the last video we added a lot of things, so let's quickly look at them. The movement looks not very good, so let's add some animations. We will begin with creating script named Player Animations. Now we will add animator component to player. After that, we will create folder named animations and create animation controller. Then drag it into animator component. Now open animation window. In here, we will create our first animation. It will be called idle. So now I recommend dragging Project tab to the right part of screen. After that, we will find sprites for our idle animation. If you found them, you have to drag them to the timeline. Let's check how it looks. It looks good, so we will create second animation for moving. We will do the same for this animation, but first we need to prepare our sprites. I will show you everything that you need to do. It also looks good, so now we will make them switch. First, make transitions between them and change some of their parameters. To check when which animation will be played, we need parameter. We will configure transitions. That way that they will happen if his moving becomes true. So let's check it. Everything looks good, so we will begin with our script. First, we will declare our animator. Then we will get back to our first script to make some changes and add some important things. First, we will need variable, which will store information is player moving. Then we will give variable a value, decided by input. We also want player to rotate when moving left, so we will add one more variable. It will be also depending on input. If X input is lower than 0, it means that player is moving left. Now we will get back to our script. First we will set is moving parameter. But to do that, we need to import our first script. After that, we will make sprite rotate when moving left. And that's all for script. Now we will drag script onto player, then drag some things to our script and test the final result. As you see, animations are working smoothly and player is rotating when necessary. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I also recommend checking out next part of this epic series.